Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Python file handling tutorial series. In our previous lessons, we've learned how to write, read, and append to a file using different modes. Today, we're going to introduce a new concept, the context manager, which can make our file handling operations even more efficient and safe. So, what is a context manager? In Python, a context manager is a way to manage resources. It allows you to allocate and release resources precisely when you want to. In terms of file handling, this resource is the file you're working with. But why would you use a context manager when opening a file? Well, when we work with files, it's crucial to close them after we're done. If we forget to do this, it can lead to memory leaks, corruption of data, and other issues. This is where a context manager comes in handy. When we open a file using a context manager, it automatically closes the file once we're done with it, even if an error occurs within the block. The syntax to use a context manager when opening a file involves the with keyword. Let's see it in action. In the code above, we're using the with keyword to open the test.txt file in read mode. The open function returns a file object, and it's automatically assigned to the variable file. We then read the file and store the content in the variable data. Notice that we didn't explicitly close the file after reading it? That's the beauty of using a context manager. It automatically closes the file once the operations within the with block are complete. Now, let's run this code. As you can see, the output is the content of the test.txt file, exactly as we expected. That wraps up our tutorial on context managers in Python. Remember, using a context manager when working with files is a good practice as it handles resource management for you. Keep practicing what you've learned, and happy coding!